In the tender glow of dawn, there rests a potent magic that only the earnest traveler and writer understands. The irresistible pull of an uncharted road and the blank page. Both whisper a beguiling call to adventure and self-discovery that beats at the heart of every creative soul. Yet so often, a shadow creeps in, clouding the path and the page alike, the insidious specter of procrastination. Who among us, armed with a pen or poised at the keyboard, has not faltered under its weight, watching precious seconds drip like a leaky faucet, while the wonders of the world and the tales they inspire hang in balance? This essay serves as your guide to reclaiming the narrative, a detailed map through the murky territories of delay and inefficiency that plague many a travel writer. I invite you to journey with me as we explore time-tested strategies and personal insights aimed at boosting your creativity and whisking away the cobwebs of procrastination. Each strategy is a stepping stone to a vibrant writing life, liberated from the shackles of hesitation and doubt, where creativity flows as freely as a traveler's road winds. To tackle procrastination, we must first understand its roots. In the life of a travel writer, procrastination often sprouts from a seed of fear. Fear of imperfection, fear of unknown outcomes, or simply the overwhelm of limitless choices that travel brings. Acknowledging these fears is the first step toward overcoming them. As we gaze upon a cluttered desk with a diary half begun and maps scattered, it mirrors the chaos of an undecided mind. Procrastination is not a sign of laziness, but often a complex response to stress and anxiety, a protective buffer against potential failure. The sanctuary of routine crafting your daily writing ritual. In the unpredictability of travel, establishing a routine might seem paradoxical. However, a writing ritual acts as an anchor, giving structure to our creative pursuits. Whether it's writing 500 words after morning coffee, or revisiting your notes during a serene sunset, rituals can significantly enhance productivity. Now imagine settling into a morning ritual at a quaint Parisian cafe, the air rich with the aroma of fresh croissants and robust coffee. Here, amidst the hum of the city awakening, your ritual beckons your muse into the light, away from the shadows of procrastination. The power of place, choosing inspiring locales. The environment plays a critical role in stimulating creativity. For a travel writer, the world is an oyster, yet choosing the right setting is crucial. A beachfront balcony, a bustling city square, or a quiet mountain retreat can all spark vastly different creative energies. Imagine a secluded nook amidst lush greenery. This not only offers solitude, but also a fresh perspective, literally and metaphorically. By aligning your surroundings with your creative temperament, you can harness the sensory richness of the place to fuel your writing. Time is of the essence. Effective time management techniques. Procrastination often worms its way through mismanaged time. Applying solid time management strategies, like the Pomodoro technique or the Eisenhower box, can transform how you handle your writing schedule. By dividing your writing into structured, timed sessions with clear breaks, you encourage sustained focus and prevent burnout. This method not only makes large projects more manageable, but also reinforces a sense of accomplishment with each session. Tools of the trade leveraging technology for better writing habits. In an era where technology can either be a distraction or a tool, choosing wisely is paramount. Apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey can block distracting websites, while tools like Scrivener can help organize your research and drafts efficiently. Now picture yourself in a cozy lodge, your laptop aglow with the interface of a writing application that organizes your notes by location and theme. This not only saves time, but also keeps your narrative threads tightly woven, enabling a smoother creative flow. Technology, when used correctly, can be a powerful ally in the battle against procrastination, helping you focus on what truly matters, your writing. From stress to dressed, how regular travel fuels creativity. Travel is not just about seeing new places, it's about refreshing the mind. Regular changes in scenery can dramatically reduce stress levels, which in turn decreases the likelihood of falling into procrastinative patterns. Envision standing atop a serene mountain range, the vastness reminding you of the endless possibilities within your writing. Such experiences not only rejuvenate the spirit, but also provide fresh material and perspectives, essential for keeping your writing vibrant and engaging. Community spirit, the role of writers' circles and mentors. No writer is an island. Engaging with a community of fellow writers can provide motivation, accountability, and valuable feedback. Whether it's online forums, local writers' workshops, or informal meetups, being part of a writer's circle can significantly combat procrastination. Imagine the warmth of shared stories and laughter in a snug room, where ideas are exchanged like gifts. This community not only supports you, but challenges you to push your boundaries and commit to your writing schedule. Keeping the flame alive. Continual learning and growth. Finally, the pursuit of knowledge is a potent antidote to procrastination. Constantly learning new writing techniques, exploring different genres, and even studying the mechanics of storytelling can invigorate your practice and prevent the staleness that often leads to creative blocks. Picture yourself attending a writing workshop in the shadow of ancient ruins, each stone a silent witness to millennia of stories. Such environments remind us of the timeless nature of storytelling and inspire us to continue honing our craft. In conclusion, procrastination is a common adversary for many creative professionals, particularly travel writers, who must juggle the dual demands of exploration and expression. However, by understanding the underlying causes of procrastination and implementing these strategic approaches, you can not only manage but also harness your creative energies more effectively. From establishing comforting routines and selecting inspiring environments to leveraging technology and embracing community, each strategy offers a pathway to more productive and fulfilling writing. Remember, every word you write is a step on the journey, and with these tools, you can ensure that your journey is as enriching and prolific as the destinations you write about. So, fellow writers, let us pick up our pens, power up our laptops, and reclaim the narrative that awaits. The world is vast, and your story is invaluable.